lucky to have a sister.
Yeah, I got 4 of them, and I trade them all for a good dog.
I'd love to have a dog. Oh, hi! Look at you!
That is your very own certified purebred giant troll hunter.
He's for me.
Yeah, and he just took a giant pee all over my sweatshirt.
Wow, Jess. Thank you.
What's going on?
Your friend Leslie's dead. She drowned in a creek this morning. Apparently she tried to swim across on the road when it broke. They think she hit her head.
See ya!
Yeah, see ya.